Okay, so we're here at a place called Campo Saga. We've been here before. I think I've even done a video on this before. But we're here for breakfast and it's really good. Now this place is unreal. You can bring your kids in here. It's just zillions of tables in here. They also do functions and you can order like packages of different meals and that for, you know, 20 to 50, 100 people and that. But it's got a swimming pool here. Actually got 2 swimming pools here. And sort of play area for the kids. I've got the swings and all that, which is really good for the kids. And then there's another area down the front. I'll just show you that. Okay. So there's actually another house down the bottom down here where you can have private functions and that too, or you can just come and sit. This place is absolutely really good. So they've got a whole downstairs here and it's all like astroturf, like fake grass and that. So, you know, they have sort of little functions down here and parties and things like that. Really is nice. Campo Saga. It's on Chulann Mahandradatta. I'll leave a link, Google map link in the description. The good thing is it's got the little bit deeper pool with the slide and it's got the shallower pool for the kids and that, so it's really, really good for kids. And they do a really good breakfast burrito, so that's what I'm going to get anyway. So they do proper coffees here, you know, cappuccinos, cafe lattes, all that sort of stuff. Now the breakfast is really cheap. They've got American breakfast for 40,000, like $4. The morning burrito, that's what I like, 40,000. Scrambled pesto, eggs Benedict, 40,000. Maybe I'll even try an eggs Benedict today. Then there's a lot of just other Indonesian style meals, Caesar salads, tom yums, you know, seafood, spring rolls. Basically you got everything in the menu, fried rices, pizzas. Really is a good restaurant too. A little bit of sushi, carbonaras. Yeah, schnitzels. They've got sort of Mexican-y sort of stuff. Burritos, quesadillas, steaks, chicken steaks, yeah, beef fillets, burgers, and then they've got their own kids menu for the kids. So it really is good in here. It's really worth having a look. Now what I'm after is avocado juice because I'm addicted to them. So maybe they've got one. I'm not sure, but if they have, that's what I'll be getting. Campo Saga. It's really, really nice. A lot of people just come in, hang out all day and bring their kids. They just drink coffee and that and let the kids swim. So, very nice place and the staff are really friendly. It's our lovely waitress and we're going to both get chicken burrito, breakfast burrito. As you can see, a lot of people like bringing their kids down. The kids swim and have fun in the pool and the play area and the swings and that. So, yeah, it's great for the kids, this place. Thank you. Okay, so just check that out. For 47,000, like $4.70. Got the chips, salad, and the breakfast, chicken breakfast burrito. Look at that. Looks good. They're pretty big. They cut one in half and the other one's not. Looks pretty good. So I'm going to try it out. Really good. Homemade tortillas. So, as normal, I'm finished. It was really good. I was so hungry. And Yuli, have you finished yet? Did you say you didn't want the rest of yours?
No.
She's only eaten one. The good thing about going out with Yuli for dinner is I get to eat half hers. You're cutting your burrito in half, darling.
Because I'm generous.
Oh, I was only joking when I said that I wanted yours too. Not. Thank you. They really are good. Really good. Okay, so we just scan pay that. You see it was 147,000, which is really cheap. Less than 15 bucks for 2 really big burritos and 2 teas each. So it's a really good place. Cheap, good, and a great atmosphere in here. Campo Saga, don't forget. I'll leave the Google Maps link in the description and come and check it out. It's really worth a look. And they also have live music here some nights, so and they've got an ice cream machine, they've got all sorts of stuff here, so don't forget to come and check it out. So we're here on Chulann Dewi Sri, a little warung called Sop Konro Karebosi baru. It's a Sulawesi Makassar restaurant, and we're going to try out the troto. Okay, so Yuli's going to try the Konro bakar. It's like ribs grilled, and I'm going to get the troto Makassar soup because it's really good. I really like it. And we're going to get some boras, which is like rice steamed in a banana leaf with mixed with coconut cream. Yeah. And maybe a couple of these Chulann got they're like little pasties, and yeah, they're really good, full of vegetables and egg and noodles and stuff. Yeah? So it's a basic menu here. There's mainly only the three things, and you can get like pisang hijau, which is like a banana wrapped in a green like pancake, and then with ice and like custard and stuff. That's really good. And what's this, the butong?
Kalau butong is sort of same like this pisang hijau, but not wrapped in a pancake.
Alright, so it's the same thing as pisang hijau, but it hasn't got the pancake. It's just banana by itself. Okay. So you only got white rice, and this is the barasa. You just more or less take what you want, and they charge you by what you eat. And we got 2 iced teas, ST Tawar, no sugar, and sweet tea. Wow, so check out that. That's the grilled beef ribs. Might have to steal some of that off you. And this is my choto. Oh, it's only small. I dipped out there, didn't I? I should have got the ribs. So Yuli got a soup with her ribs, which looks really, really good. And this is the troto soup. You can see there's big chunks of meat in it. And yeah, troto is one of my favourite types of soup in Indonesia because it's got so much beef in it, and it's a very good taste. Troto Makassar. And
Konro bakar.
so we'll try this out. Very good. So you put a little bit of lime juice. With Sulawesi food, they eat lime with everything, absolutely everything. So yeah, I'll try it out. Oh yeah, makes a hell of a difference. They literally boil it for hours and hours, so the beef is very tender. Just check out how much meat's on that. Look at it. It's just all meat. There's a lot of it. So I'm going to steal it a little bit. And they're big ribs too, because they're beef ribs, not pig ribs. So the troto is about 30,000, about $3, and this is 70,000 for the beef ribs, about $7. But well worth it, because just look at that meat. Let's try some of them beef ribs. Oh, it's got like peanut sauce on it. Yeah, it's got like a peanut sauce, sort of sweet. Very nice. Very nice indeed. I definitely should have got that. Okay, so I stole half of one of Yuli's ribs. I was just going to pick it up and eat off the bone, but it just fell straight off the bone. So this is all the meat, which is a good chunk of meat. So it's well worth it, really. $7, you get a lot of beef. And it more or less just falls apart and melts in your mouth. It's really good. Very good. So I'm going to take the beef bones home to give Lucy, and she'll love them. Chew on them with a bit of marrow in them and that. Good stuff. So Yula was saying to make the soup for the ribs, they actually boil the ribs in, and to make the soup to give it all the flavour, and then they take the ribs out and grill them, so it gives it a bit of smokiness and a bit of better taste. Anyway, very nice at all. Definitely I'll be coming back to this place, but next time I'll be getting the ribs. Okay, so Chulann Dewi Sri is that road just there, and this is a little laneway off it. There's 2 roads like this are also named Chulann Dewi Sri, so check out the Google Maps. So it was really good, really worth checking out. And I got me bones for Lucy, my rib bones, so she'll be happy. Alright, so if you like that video, you know the drill, thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.